Monetizing your blog with affiliate links is a popular way to generate income. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to make money from your blog using affiliate links. 1. Choose affiliate programs. Research and select reputable affiliate programs that align with your blog's niche and target audience. Look for programs that offer relevant products or services and provide competitive commission rates. 2. Sign up for affiliate programs. Join the affiliate programs you've chosen by completing the application process. Typically, you'll need to provide your website details and other relevant information. 3. Create valuable content. Develop high-quality, engaging content on your blog that attracts and retains readers. Write informative blog posts, product reviews, or tutorials that genuinely help your audience and align with the products or services you'll be promoting. 4. Identify affiliate opportunities. Within your content, identify opportunities to naturally incorporate affiliate links. This could be by mentioning products or services that you genuinely recommend, using affiliate banners or widgets, or creating dedicated product review or recommendation posts. 5. Disclose affiliate relationships. It's essential to disclose your use of affiliate links to maintain transparency with your audience. Include a clear and conspicuous disclosure statement on your blog, indicating that you may earn a commission from affiliate links. 6. Track and optimize performance. Use tracking tools provided by the affiliate programs or third-party platforms to monitor the performance of your affiliate links. This allows you to analyze clicks, conversions, and earnings. Use the data to optimize your strategy, such as focusing on high-converting products or adjusting your content to better resonate with your audience. 7. Build trust and authenticity. Continuously work on building trust with your audience by providing honest recommendations and valuable content. Avoid promoting products solely for the sake of earning commissions. Genuine recommendations and authentic engagement will help you establish long-term relationships with your readers. 8. Promote your content. Utilize various marketing strategies to promote your blog and drive traffic. This can include leveraging social media platforms, email marketing, guest blogging, search engine optimization, SEO, and networking with other bloggers or influencers in your niche. 9. Experiment and adapt. As you gain experience and insights, experiment with different affiliate programs, products, or promotional strategies to find what works best for your audience and blog. Stay updated with industry trends and adapt your approach accordingly. 10. Stay compliant. Familiarize yourself with the advertising guidelines and regulations set by relevant authorities, such as the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, in the United States. Ensure that you comply with disclosure requirements and any other applicable laws or regulations in your jurisdiction. Remember, building a successful blog with affiliate links takes time, effort, and consistency. Focus on creating valuable content, building relationships with your audience, and promoting products or services that genuinely benefit your readers. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.